Hello everyone, welcome to Legal Darshan. In today's video, we are going to discuss the features of Indian Constitution. The first meeting of Constitution Assembly was held on 9 December 1946 when India was near to the freedom, and the time that was taken to complete the constitution was of 2 years, 11 months and 18 days. The constitution became ready on 26 November 1949, which is also observed as Law Day or the Constitutional Day, and it was implemented in India on 26 January 1950, the first Republic Day, where India was declared as a democratic and republic country. The Indian Constitution is the longest and bulkiest constitution in the world, while the shortest being the one of United States of America of merely 2 or 3 pages. The Constitution of India is written, whereas we can see that the Constitution of United Kingdom is not written. Another feature of our constitution is it is less rigid and more flexible, that is, it provides to the people of our country the sovereignty, it provides them rights, it provides them duties, it provides a lot of provisions, it has amendment procedures, it has emergency provisions and a lot of provisions to govern a nation. Therefore, it is of a less rigid and more flexible nature, covering all the aspects required in a democratic country. Another feature we are going to discuss is of rule of law. The Indian Constitution and the Indian democracy is based on the principle of rule of law, where whatever the law says must be followed by everyone, be it the people of the country or the government or the executives. The Indian Constitution supports secularism and a federal system, however, the federation is biased towards the center. The Indian Constitution is enriched with the principle of separation of power, that is, the executive, legislature and the judiciary works together horizontally but separately. They are the three pillars of our democracy and they play their own role. The judiciary is independent in our country. Our constitution also recognizes the principle of judicial review and universal adult franchise, that is, it gives all the adults who are above 18 years of age the voting rights. They are free to choose their government and elect them. Coming on to the content of our constitution, the constitution has 395 articles, 22 parts and 12 schedules. It has been amended 104 times till date. The Constitution contains fundamental right in Part 3 of it. Fundamental rights are the specific rights given to the people, right to equality, right to worship, right to move, right to study in the Part 3, and the violation of these rights may be claimed in the court of law in the very first instance by filing a writ petition under Article 32, which is called the Constitutional Remedy by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. The Constitution contains directive principle of state policy, which gives some directive measure to state and executive and legislature to follow and make rules in accordance to them. It has also provided fundamental duties to citizen. In Article 51A, there are 11 fundamental duties which the citizens has to oblige with. The Constitution contains emergency provision, which are of 3 kinds: financial emergency, which has never been imposed in our country, state emergency, which has been imposed numerous times, and the national emergency, which has been imposed 3 times till now. Now there is the preamble of our constitution, which reads, "We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all citizens the justice, social, economical, and political, liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith, and worship, equality of status and of opportunity, and to promote among them fraternity, assuring that the dignity of individual and the unity and integrity of the nation in our Constituent Assembly this 26th day of November 1949 do hereby adopt, enact, and give to ourselves this Constitution. Preamble is the mirror of whatever features are contained and whatever features the Constitution promotes to ensure the unity and fraternity of our country. It says that justice should be provided to all and of all kinds of social, economic, and political. People should have the liberty to express, to think, to believe, to faith, and worship. People must be equal in the eye of law, and thus it all will lead to fraternity and dignity and integrity of our nation. This was all for today's video. In our next video, we are going to talk about sources of constitution, that is from which country and which source India and its constitution has adopted the basic structure features. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. For any other information, you may contact us at legaldarshana@gmail.com. Thank you. Have a good day.